What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So we are actually getting ready for the next event for Queen City Kayak bass fishing. Columbia, South Carolina, Lake Murray. Pretty pumped. Hopefully the fishing's good. We do got some crazy weather coming through. I think it's supposed to rain all day, the tournament day, but oh well, you gotta fish the conditions. But before we get down there, I want to share with you my last tournament for Queen City Kayak bass fishing. We actually fished the co-ed event for QCKBF. This is actually a tournament where one male, one female teams up together, and you actually have to catch 2 fish each to make a 4-fish limit. But y'all check it out. $14 and a half. Oh shit. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That fish went, spit that damn thing.
All right, guys, second fish of the day. Not sure if he's gonna cut it on size-wise. He looks close. So let's take a look. So there we go. I'm gonna measure him up, see what we got. Let's see. Handy dandy board. Oh, he's a fighter. He's a fighter. All right, yeah, this guy is just at 12 and a half inches. So he is gonna measure, but we're gonna need some bigger ones if I'm gonna make it happen today.
Got a 12? I got a 14 and a half. I've caught 3. I'm going over here. Is anybody over here? All right. All right, what do we have here? That's a pretty good one. He's about 16 or 17. Let's get him on the board. All right, guys, 16 3/4, I believe. Pretty good fish. Pretty good start to the morning. right, guys, 15 and a half. Let's get him back in the water. Oh my God. All right, guys, 18 3/4. Just got him on the shaky head. Big old largemouth. Let's get him back in the water.
All right, guys, it's been a slow few hours, but in the past 5 minutes, I've caught 3. Look at this little guy. He's so cute. I cannot.
All right, so we just got an upgrade. We got that 18 3/4 inch upgrade. I'm gonna be honest though, it's been very slow out here today. It's been very slow. My wife's kind of struggling. She got a couple 12 inchers, I believe. And I just got that 18 3/4. September's a tricky time of year because it's like a transition period. And a lot of stuff's going on. A lot of fish is moving, and you know the usual. You know what I say. Cover water. That's how you catch them. All right, we are off the water. We had a decent day, even though it was actually very tough fishing. I mean, like I said, I got on a really good topwater bite early this morning, and then after that it kind of died, and I got lucky and I caught that one big largemouth in that laydown near that dock, but that was about it. My wife, she had some crazy stuff going on. She completely broke a reel. She broke her lose reel.
With a fish on.
Yeah, she had a fish on, and she broke her lose reel.
Lost that fish.
We're gonna get loaded up though, and we're gonna get to weigh-in.
Yeah, we'll get there. With a full limit, the only full limit for the event. Yes.
And Coles.
And Coles. They each called twice, I believe, in the Amazing Tourney X app. We have Mr. and Mrs. Hooksets. I named them that because they didn't give me a team name.
You didn't ask.
Using the post that they didn't read. Leading with 35.5 inches, Mr. Ryan Brenneman, leading the event with his big bag today, and Tori not far behind him with 27 3/4, with a total of 63.25 inches. Our 2022 co-ed champions.
Defending champions.
That's back to back. Back to back. Yeah. Those of you who answered my Hey Dudes post, I'd like to point out that I'm wearing Hey Dudes, so thank you.
I bought my daughter a pair right after.
We're not happy about the cake.
We're gonna get some pictures later, but tell us about your day. I'm gonna get out of your way.
All right, so my day started kind of late. I thought that we launched late, actually, so we'll talk about that later. Late lunch. Caught some shorts, caught some okay fish. Ended up here at Sakura. Shared a bottle of wine with my favorite, one of my 2 favorite Queen City girls, Shelly.
Ryan, tell us about your day, please.
So first off, I want to give a shout out to Queen City and Benny for putting on the event. And I appreciate everybody fishing the tournament today. Summertime fishing is hard, and you're either on a couple or you're on nothing. And I just found a little shallow little flat with some docks on it, and I was just chunking the old V-twin. As usual, what everybody does. I don't do nothing special. And then I got lucky on the back end of the day and seen a little laydown, and I was like, well, let's flip a little brown pumpkin busy diamond in this laydown. And next thing you know, I seen my worm going to the left of me. And I was like, oh, that's a bass. So that's about it. That's my day.
Hey, well, it was good enough to take it down. You guys were the favorite. You know, Facebook made that pretty evident. I was out there trying to beat you. I'm not gonna lie about it. But,